Students, good morning. So we are about to start up the exercise here. I will be coming up to the question answers later. What we will do here today, we are going to study about the adjectives here. You know, adjectives are the word which describes about the quality of the noun. Here you can see that we add a y to a certain noun to form adjectives. It's not necessary that every adjective is formed by adding a y. There are cases in which you can add y. There are cases where you have to add ly, and there are cases where you can do other changes. So we add a y to certain nouns to form adjectives. Certain other changes may also have to be made to the words before the y is added. Example, the dal was full of water. The dal was watery. So here you see the example, the question is given, the dal was full of water. Full of water. And what actually has been done, the dal was watery. So the adjective here is water, means the noun dal was full of water. The quality of that noun is that it was full of water. So what we have done here, we have just added y and omitted the word full of. That means it was telling full of, and instead of using full of, we added y to water to make it an adjective where it has been turned to watery. So the dal was watery gives you the sense that the dal was full of water. So okay, now coming on to the exercise, you see, rewrite the sentences given below by changing the underlined nouns into adjectives. Spell the new words correctly. Make other changes to the sentences as required. The oranges were full of juice. You can do it yourself and you can write the answers here. The oranges were full of juice. So underlined adjective is juice, or the one you have to change juice is to juicy. So the answer will be the oranges were juicy, and you have to omit full of. I slipped and fell because the road was covered with mud. Here what you can do is add y to mud and make it muddy, and rewrite the sentence as I slipped and fell because the road was muddy. Covered with mud, you have to omit. The soda was full of bubbles. That drops of it splattered onto my face. The soda was so bubbly that drops of it splattered onto my face. Okay, here you don't have to omit anything. That full of you can omit. The dishes were dirty and full of grease. Grease का मतलब यहाँ पर गाड़ी वाली grease नहीं है. It means oil. The dishes were dirty and greasy. Okay. The last one is the sky was dark and covered with clouds. So you can write the sky was dark and cloudy. Okay. Now for your homework part, you can come here, read the following words ending in EE and add 5 more similar words. So here you can see there are 3 words given here: committee, coffee, guarantee. So what you have to do here, you have to write 5 such words which actually gives you the end of a word with the letter E, E or double E. Okay, now coming on to the next one. So students, coming on to the next word, here you can see synonyms. Synonyms actually are the words which have the similar meaning to the root word. Like in Hindi we used to call them पर्यायवाची. Okay, so ऐसे शब्द जिनका मतलब नहीं बदलता, बस दूसरा शब्द हम लिखते हैं. जैसे beautiful का synonym है pretty, attractive, lovely. Means all these things in some or the other way means the same. Okay, so what we have to do, read the list of the words and their synonyms given below. Select one or more synonym for each set from the textbook. So what you have to do, given here are few words like salary, earning, and there are some word given on the box. So I will be helping you with the box, and what you have to do, you have to select such synonyms from the text given. Salary is earnings, and here you can see the last one is income. From the box you can choose education, learning and instruction. Okay, conversation, talk and dialogue. Gravely, severely, seriously. Dirty, unclean and filthy. So here the exercise doesn't end, the first part of the exercise ends, and later on I will cover up the other exercises given in the text. That's all for today. Thank you.